Recently, Google, Shopify, and Amazon have all done stock splits. And when you're doing some technical analysis on a chart and you end up with these huge gaps like this in price, it's really annoying. So how do we fix it? We'll tackle those steps right after this.
You already know, doesn't happen overnight, not even close. You can conquer anything if you plan ahead. XABCD can get you there. Discipline is hard, you already know. Doesn't happen overnight, not even close.
Introducing splits will make your chart go from this to this, which shows all the past chart data with the new split price as well. So it's far easier to look back and do all your technical analysis with the current price versus the old one. Just think of something as simple as support and resistance. So how do we do it? So a few requirements with NinjaTrader 8, you must be using a certain data feed provider. So those two options to you are Kinetick or IQFeed. Either one of those, you'll be able to do and update your stock splits on. So you're first going to need to open up your NinjaTrader 8 Control Center window. And once you are there, you can go to the Tools menu and then select where it says Instruments in that submenu, and then type in the name of the stock into that window. Oh, and I should have mentioned this earlier, but if it does help you, whack that thumbs up button. I'm just very curious on how many people this has actually helped. Anyways, let's get back to it. Now you have a choice. You can double click on it, or you can select it once and hit the edit button below. And what that's going to do is open up a new window, which is all the properties for that specific instrument. So when you scroll down underneath the section Splits and Dividends, you will see the button that says Update Splits. Okay, you're going to want to click that. Now you won't know that something happened. You won't get any pop-up box. You can click it as many times as you want, but we can go in, we can actually confirm the splits were added by clicking above that button on the splits column. And when you put your mouse over it, you will see the text will change to edit splits. So select that once and your new pop-up box will show you all the splits with the date so that you can confirm it was done correctly. So just press OK to close these boxes and go back to your chart. Right click on that chart that you had opened, or if you didn't have one open, you can open up a new chart with that stock symbol. But if you did have it open, right click on it and you'll have to go to reload all historical data. And that's it, you're done. Your chart will look the way that you were hoping and the way that you were wanting to see it without the large gaps.
I know you wanna hustle, flexing every muscle, but deep down you still afraid. I know you love the grind, working overtime, but this ain't about the trades.